Everybody wants to shoot an action scene. Fights, chases, guns, and chaos. But here's the problem. You don't have Tom Cruise. And you don't have a Marvel stunt coordinator. And your stunt team is just Chad from Klaus who once fell off a skateboard. Good news. You don't need a Hollywood stunt crew to shoot action that looks cool. You just need some smart filmmaking tricks. So today, I'm giving you the blueprint for how to shoot action scenes without a stunt team and still make them look dangerous, cinematic, and it's not about the punch, it's about the angle. The #1 beginner mistake, thinking your actor has to actually hit something. Newsflash for you. You're not making Fight Club, and you definitely don't need health insurance claims on set. Film is all about angles and timing. Show a fist almost hitting the face, cut to the reaction. A whip pan, a sound effect, audience fills in the hit. Shoot over the shoulder, hide the gap, make it look brutal. The magic isn't in the hit, it's in the edit and the sound design. Hollywood doesn't really punch people in the face, why should you? #2, cuts are your weapon. Here's the trick, fast cuts equal fast action. Your fight choreography doesn't need to be flawless, it just needs to be cut so the audience feels the impact. Examples, punch lands, cuts to reaction, cut to a wide shot of them stumbling. A kick swing, cut mid-motion, landed on a different angle. Quick inserts of fist, feet, weapons, faces equal instant intensity. If your stunt actors are untrained, which they probably are, editing covers the gap. Don't shoot wide masters of your entire fight. You'll expose every sloppy move. Shoot coverage in pieces and stitch it together. #3, use the environment. You don't have stunt doubles, cool. Then make the environment the star. Shove someone into a wall, safe but looks brutal. Knock stuff off the table, easy chaos. Use chairs, doors, bottles, backpacks, props that sell the moment. The environment makes a simple push look like a full-on brawl. Remember, the set is your stunt team, use it. By the way, if you're serious about filmmaking and want to skip a lot of the trial and error that I went through, I put everything I learned into Freedom Filmmakers. It's our online film school for aspiring filmmakers. Simple, no BS lessons on writing, shooting, and actually getting better. You get lifetime access, full customer support, and honestly, you also get me as a resource if you need advice, feedback, or just someone to point you in the right direction. Or therapy. I got you for that too. Check it out in the description below if you're interested. #4, camera movement sells impact. Want to know the oldest trick in the book? Move the camera with the action. When a punch lands, shake or whip the camera slightly with the motion. Follow a kick across frame, which adds the power. Handheld chaos in close-ups makes things feel dangerous even when nothing's happening. Wide shots only work if you've got pros on set with you. If your fight is just two dudes politely tapping each other, camera movement turns into a brawl. #5, sound is 50% of the action. Here's the cheat nobody tells you. Your sound design does more damage than your actors do. Add a bass-heavy thud for a punch, crunchy bone snap for impact, heavy breathing, grunts, and gasp. Half of Jackie Chan's fight scenes would feel silly without sound, right? With sound, they're very brutal. If your visuals are weak, let the audio do the heavy lifting. #6, edit like a magician. Editing is where the fight is won or lost. Don't hold on shots too long, keep it snappy. Hide your bad hits with cutaways, close-ups of hands, feet, or faces. Pace the scene like music. Slow build-up, face hits, big finish. If your fight doesn't feel good in the edit, reshoot inserts until it does. #7, actors equal storytellers, not stuntmen. Remember, your actors aren't stunt doubles, so don't make them fight like pros. Instead, focus on emotional storytelling. Is your hero desperate? Show messy, chaotic movement. Is your villain calm and skilled? Show clean, controlled strikes. Action isn't about perfect choreography. It's about character in motion. #8, safety first, always. Listen, nothing kills your film faster than someone getting hurt. Stage everything slower than it looks. Speed it up in the cuts. Shoot in a higher frame rate. Use mats or pads outside of frame. Keep weapons lightweight and fake, PVC pipes, foam, plastic. If your actors feel safe, they'll perform harder. If they're scared of breaking a tooth, they won't take good takes. Trust me. So here's a little cheat sheet for you. Angles hide the hits. Cuts sell the speed. Environments and props add chaos. Camera movement plus sound equals instant impact. Actors tell the story, not the stunt team. You don't need Marvel's budget to shoot action. You just need brains, creativity, and some good editing. Now go grab a camera, throw your buddy into a couch, and shoot something awesome. And we'll see you in the next one.